when the war ended, everyone celebrated. They were going to go home. I didn't celebrate because it had left a very deep impression on me that what we had inherited were all these displaced people. And what we did with them was put them in boxcars and send them behind encampments surrounded by barbed wire. That's what we did. The program was headed by the greatest anti-Semite in the United States Army, General George Patton, who put people into camps based on their national origin so that they would be repatriated, sent back home. So everybody from Lithuania was here, and everybody from Poland was there, and everybody from Latvia was there. A handful, 5% it was then figured, refused to give their country of origin, realizing that if they went home, they would be killed. And they said, "We are Jews." And that's where the story that the Holocaust was overblown, that only 5% of its victims were Jews.